So what really makes BANISH Suppressors superior is our people and our equipment. We have the best engineers in the industry, and we have the most state-of-the-art, newest equipment available. All of our manufacturing goes through ISO 9001 so that we have the best quality control available.
We're using vision equipment to check our parts. We're using all calibrated gauges. We even have a Zeiss CMM portrait measuring machine. It can measure down into the millions. We have a number of Swiss lathes, including single spindle and multi-spindle lathes. And our multi-spindle lathes are 8-spindle machining centers as well.
We use mostly Okuma LT2000s and LT3000s. Both machines are dual turret, dual spindle machines, 12-foot bar feeder, 8-bar mag. What that allows for us is to have a simultaneous Op10 and Op20, allowing for greater efficiencies throughout the manufacturing process.
The Hydromat is a 16-station rotary transfer machine, and each one of those 16 stations has machining heads that complete one portion of the operation. They will produce baffles at a pretty high rate.
All of our units are welded to an Aerospace D17-1 Class A standard. The Aerospace D17-1 Class A welding specification is top-notch for laser fusion welding.
Every weld is visually inspected multiple times through the process. Every 500th suppressor we actually send out to a company locally, and they micro etch to make sure that we are hitting our full penetration and they're looking for any type of porosity or anything that cannot be seen from the naked eye. We also do internal weld testing. So we have the ability to also micro etch welds and make sure that nothing goes awry in between the ones that we are sending out to the third-party lab.
So we utilize the Beamer laser engraving systems and laser marking systems. We have both a 50-watt unit and a 100-watt unit. We use that for our ATF compliance serialization and other part marking as well. But inside of that, we work directly with Beamer to develop programs such as the co-branded unit here for Meat Eater. That is a 2-step Cerakote process. It'll have a glacier white base with a gray overlay. We'll be able to take that over to the laser equipment, remove that top layer of Cerakote, exposing the base layer, as you can see right here.
Every suppressor that we have come through here is Cerakoted. We are a certified Cerakote applicator, and we're one of the only ones in the area with robotic Cerakoting.
So we really feel like Cerakote is the market leader, so we partnered with them. They've also come in and helped us in the training on the application through advanced robotics. It creates an amazing coat, but the benefit is you're going to have a universal application. You're not going to see any blemishes. We really feel like Cerakote is the best coating you can get in the industry to ensure that you have the best wear and also you have the best heat resistance.
We actually share all of our design and engineering data with Cerakote. They help us design our fixturing and all of our work holding. That directly integrates with the autonomous robotic platform.
Every suppressor is checked 100% for concentricity before it is boxed up. They do hourly inspections, checking the major, critical, and minor dimensions of the part on the prep.
So if you combine these high quality raw materials with the best engineers in the industry and also the best, highest quality, state-of-the-art machinery, what you get are some of the best products available. That's why BANISH is a superior product within the silencer industry.
We have the processes, the equipment, the measurement systems to make all of the BANISH suppressors to the highest quality possible. We have one of the most important resources as people. They are all super excited about the BANISH products. They take all the care in the world as they're manufacturing the components, all the way to the assembly side. If there's a blemish or something that doesn't look right on a BANISH suppressor, they won't let it leave the facility. They believe in this product, they love producing this product, and they're very excited about it.